per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS. Human Health Risk by David Zimmerman, January 18th, 2022, for EVSP 560 course project for American Military University instructor Dr. Langone. What is the human health risk of PFAS? This is an important question to research because PFAS is considered a persistent organic pollutant, POP, because it remains in the environment for years. Vorst et al. 2021. We et al. 2018 states PFAS is found in consumer products such as surface protectors and carpets, lubricants, pesticides, textile coatings, non-stick coatings, stain repellent, food packaging, firefighting foam, and cosmetics. PFAS has been linked to human health problems including increased cholesterol and liver enzymes, increased incidence of testicular and kidney cancer, reduced fertility, immune suppression, thyroid disorders, and congenital disabilities. Liu et al. 2021. The research was conducted as a literature review through American Military University, Summon, and Google Scholar search engines. Only peer-reviewed articles were written within the last 5 years were chosen, and the data was then compiled into an analysis table as seen in this image. The location, method, and model, as well as the major findings, were compared in this analysis table. Major findings include that the human exposure to PFAS occurs mainly from diet and drinking water. PFAS can accumulate in crops, fish, livestock, groundwater, and drinking water, leading to human exposure. PFAS is also found in food packaging, creating a risk of dietary exposure. Looking at the visual from Yao et al. 2021, page 7, it shows the common ways of humans getting exposed to PFAS, starting with industrial water runoff that contaminates groundwater that is used for crops. And livestock, as well as contaminating drinking water, thereby affecting us. According to Sinclair et al. 2020, PFAS human toxicity occurs at higher concentrations than what is found in the environment. In addition, many of the health guidance for PFAS comes from testing on laboratory animals that may have different toxicity levels than humans. Based on this research, the answer to the question of the human health risk of PFAS is currently low, but needs additional research. In the 10 articles reviewed, the researchers could not find a significant health risk for humans based on the levels of PFAS concentrations they observed. They found many ways that humans are exposed to PFAS, but could not link that to a high enough exposure to raise health concerns. While the researchers of these 10 articles reviewed could not find a human health risk from PFAS exposure, they felt there were gaps in the research. Yao et al. 2021 stated one problem is that the toxicological impacts of PFAS are site-specific. Every article reviewed for this presentation identified that more research was necessary, and the common area of concern was the combined exposure routes. Researchers want to know if human exposure to various PFAS compounds from several exposure pathways could combine to create a health risk. That is a question for another research paper. Thank you for your time. Please review this slide for the references used to prepare this presentation.